12003. This is a Yacht Club Duplex. So we only have a short amount of time in here, guys. So as you come in down here on the right, you have a little desk area with your coffee machine, nice big TV and a mirror. I did go past your little walk-in closet down here with shelves and drawers and stuff, as well as a bathroom. This is the same size bathroom as the rest of the cabins on the ship. Toilet in a great place for someone my height, 6'4", as well as fluffy. Great shower height. Desk, a sink, under counter mount. You have a sofa, nice little coffee table. Speaking of tables, there's a little table here as well. This does have a Whirlpool dedicated out back to you. As you see here, we'll just go outside real fast. You have some nice loungers, a couple chairs, again, private Whirlpool, all protected and covered in here. And it's a duplex, so you do have an upstairs. So no one's looking down on you. This is your own private space. Sorry we're having to go so fast. But sort of like a loft. So here's your master. This is a king, or could be two twins. You have power and USB on the nightstands. And again, look at that view. Wouldn't you love to wake up to that? Rather small TV at the foot of the bed, but I don't think you're buying this for the TV. Nice walk-in closet, little seating area here for you to do makeup or hair. Separate access to deck 13 in your own ensuite bathroom. Toilet in a great place if you're tall or fluffy. Again, I'm 6'4". You have a shub tower combo. That would be a little challenging at my height, but it is what it is. Nice under counter mount sink, makeup mirror, plenty of amenities in this particular Yacht Club cabin. So there you go, your Yacht Club Duplex Suite here on the Grandiosa. Let us know what you think. Ciao.